Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shaira Hossain. I'm a student of first year, first semester of Physics department in University of Borisov. So we had a session of English club today. We were given a lot of topics to talk about. I chose the best movie that inspires you. I like the topic. If you want to know, you have to watch a full video. So
Okay.
I'm talking about it. Uh, I would like to say first that I watch a lot of movies. If you wanna know anything about Hollywood or any whole world's movie series, I would tell you. If you wanna know, comment it below. Okay? So I firstly I wanna say that the movie that inspires me the most is Wonder Woman. It's a DC series. You all know about it, that Batman and other stuff. So it's one of them, Wonder Woman. The main character, her name is Gal Gadot, who is from Israel. She was once a Miss World, Gal Gadot. So I really like her. She's very thoughtful and very inspiring woman. The movie she did, it was a very wonderful act. The movie scene, every scene was so impressive. The action part, I liked it so much. She did it so wellly. Like I almost cried in the movie series scenes that women power. We don't get to see it in every movies. This is one of the movie that shows women's power. If you want to know, you have to watch it fully. Okay. About the movie, I like the most about that she never uh, afraid of anything. She always listen to her heart. What is right, she always fight for that, and what is wrong, she always defeat it. At the same time, she did that. She wanted to save a country and wanted to fight with all she can. And that's all about the movie. At the end, I would like to include that it was my opinion, not anyone else. I like that movie. If you want to know about other movies, I can tell that too. But for now, if something inspires me, this is one of the movie. I also have a lot of suggestions. Like I love Marvel Studios. It's a very impressive series. You all know about it. The most famous character is Spider-Man, which is my favorite character. I have watched it all. You guys also know that in 2026 there's going to release Spider-Man season 4. So yeah, thank you so much, guys.